Pretty much all landscape lighting on market now is low voltage. And between those, you definitely want to go for LED options because they just last much longer and you don't have to deal with burnt bulbs that need to be replaced. After that, you want to make sure you highlight the elements in your landscape, a nice tree, maybe a waterfall, some sort of water feature, or a planter bed. And you want that to be designed in a way with the right fixture, right bulb, even like color of bulb. And once you have this picked out, placed in the location desired, you have to run the right cable to a transformer, and probably that transformer will be on some sort of timer or remote that you can control. So first you want to start with what fixture, where you want to put that, and then based on how many of them you have, how much load you have, and what wattage is needed, you pick the right size cable and run them all to the transformer. Now, the advantage of low voltage is these cables don't need to be in any sort of conduit protection. You can easily bury them 6 to 8 inches into the ground and run them to your transformer. So it will make the installation very easy and cost effective.